There is quite a bit of fear in the religious community about AI, what it is, if you should use it, if you shouldn't. So, AI is artificial intelligence, and it has been making people's jobs a lot easier. I want to help you get started with this, so I'm going to talk with you about how you can get started using AI. If you are going to get started with AI, the first thing that you're going to have to understand is prompting. ChatGPT, which is what we'll be using, works via prompts. So you will give it information via a prompt. Now, how that works is you will create a sentence and you will put it into ChatGPT. I will show you that in just a minute. So how does prompting work? You type in a question or you put in a request, you ask it to do something, and ChatGPT responds with whatever you've asked it to do. You don't need to start out with anything really sophisticated. You can start with one question, and that one question you can build upon later. So why is prompting important? It is important because that's how you talk to any of the AIs. For example, I speak English. You are listening to me in English. This is how we communicate. If you spoke Japanese, you would communicate with somebody from Japan in Japanese. It is the same difference. You communicate with ChatGPT by using prompts. Now, at this time, we are going to try prompting, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I've opened up my ChatGPT. Mine is going to look a little different from yours if you have the free plan. The free plan works very well and you can do the same things. Now, for a prompt, we are going to ask it a question. So let's go here and say, what is the tallest building in the United States? This is a prompt. I'm asking it a question. As it searches, it will come back with an answer. Now, I had paused the video so that it would give it time to answer. As I said, mine is a little different. I pay for the version that I use, so you may see something different with yours. It has answered my question. My prompt was, what is the tallest building in the United States? And it has given me the answer. It has given me a little more than just what is the tallest building. It tells me who it's designed by, where it's located, how tall it is, and other information about it. So let's go here and let's try another simple prompt. Let's say, what is a church? I'm going to pause again. Actually, it's answering a lot quicker for me this time. Sometimes my computer can be a little slow. And this is what it tells me. It is a community of people. It's a physical place. Now, if you are watching this and you are a ministry, you're saying, no, we are the church. But that is for later. That is when you get into tweaking it and asking it more questions and different prompts. But to get started, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go to ChatGPT, OpenAI. I will have the link below, and I want you to create your account. And I want you to try it. I just want you to try it. I'm going to go to a new chat and I'm going to say, how old is the Coca-Cola company? And it's going to search. If it takes too long, I will pause this so that it will come back. But as you can see, it's searching the web and it's going to give you your information. Now, as I said, you may not get all of this. You may not get pictures or any of that with yours, because if you're on the free plan, it might be different. But here is the information. So this is what prompting is. Prompting is asking it a question, giving it an idea, putting something in there to get it started. If you would like to have the PowerPoint slides as a PDF, you are welcome. Just go to my website and you can go ahead and download that. Now, if you need help, if you're a church, a hotel, an entrepreneur, or a tourism organization, I would love to help you increase your visitation, your income using AI. So just simply reach out to me. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God keep you is my prayer.